Summon me.
Are you scared?
Bloody Mary.
Cover up my bald spots. If you can hear that windy bird chirping sound, I have the window open because I'm going to use a really smelly product today and I need the window open to not die. Hey guys, it's Alyix. Welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a while since I uploaded. My uploads have been very sporadic recently, but it's October, it's Halloween season, and I was thinking to myself, I haven't done an SFX look in about a year. It's been about a year. There's been 2 SFX videos on my channel. There was the ripped out heart one, and then there was basic bruising in the Harley Quinn video. But I want to do another SFX video, Halloween style, that I am excited for. I'm excited for this one. I came up with this concept watching Supernatural, and I'm excited to get on with it. You already know what it is from the title. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I know my uploads haven't been very often, but I would still appreciate it because I do plan on dropping a lot more videos soon. I have a bunch in my head. You can hit the notification bell too, but let's just get right on into this because I'm excited. Yo, this hair is gonna get in the way. Why is this one so much shorter than all the other ones? Like, what? Oh, it's the right length on this side. I just had that piece of hair on the wrong side. No hair in face. Not good idea. This is Rigid Collodion. Very dangerous product. It smells really bad, so make sure you are in a well-ventilated area. Hence why in the intro I said that's why I have the window open, so we have air coming in and out, and so the strong will be less. So this product, if you don't know what this product's for, it is to create scars. It messes with your skin, which is why it's very dangerous. If you use it multiple days in a row, you could get an actual scar where this non-real scar is. And if you don't remove it properly, this product you can really damage your skin with, which is why I said do a little bit of research. I'm not using this in the safest way because I'm going right near my eye with it. Another good idea, if you're going to do this, is latex and cotton. I am currently out of latex. Silicone, another great way. Or these. These are FX transfers. These are really good. Which these you can put near your eye. So the more layers you add of this, the more indented these scars will get, which is why you really want to be careful with this product. I cannot emphasize that enough. And of course in this shot, I'm either out of camera or it's blurry, so I apologize about that. But I'm just layering this product to get those scars how I like them. You can build this up as well with silicone or latex and cotton. I'm gonna leave it as it is right now. You can see this is what it looks like. So now I'm just going in with a primer. I'm just using this so the foundation will stick better. I'm using a smoothing primer here. You want to use a primer that just glides on your skin, because if you start tugging and pulling at where the rigid collodion is, it will start to peel up and rip, and it could really, really hurt if it's not removed properly. So I recommend being very, very careful with applying a primer. Now I'm going in with a foundation that is a few shades lighter than my skin tone. I'm applying this over the scars as well to help them blend into the skin better. I don't recommend almost getting foundation in your eye, but you can, if you would like, paint your face white. You can use any white product you have. I just wanted mine to still look skin-like. Now I am just applying a powder to my face. Make sure you powder over the scars as well. It'll help get rid of the shininess that the rigid collodion has. Even though you're painting over it, you don't want it shiny. Just make sure you are being very careful over these scars so they don't peel up. Now I'm starting the actual painting process. I'm going to be using water activated paints today, but you can also use cream paints or eyeshadows. Just don't use alcohol activated paint since you will be working around your eye. And the first thing that I'm doing here is I'm going to paint the whole orbital bone area black to simulate that the eye is gone and it's kind of hollow. Just remember with water activated paints that the more water you add, the less opaque it will be. And you can also set it with eyeshadow, especially since you are working on the eye area. It will crease. Just a reminder to keep in mind. Now I'm going in with a purple to start bruising the outside. I went in with a brush at first to help blend out the black, but then you'll see that I'm going to go in with a sponge, and it's a really easy trick. You just pull off little pieces of the end of a sponge. I did this in the Harley Quinn video, and I dipped it in a little bit of that purple paint that I was using and just started bruising around the outside and blending it out more. Now you're about to see me make a huge mistake. I had way too much water on this brush and just wiped the paint right off my eye, but it's okay. We're gonna fix it in the end. So now I'm going with a black eyeshadow on a tiny angled brush, and I'm starting to add dimension into the scars. I'm applying the black right down the center where the deepest part would be. I am just taking my time with this and really making sure that it's how I want it.
Are you scared? I am you.
Now I'm fixing that paint mistake from earlier. I'm just going over my entire eye area with that same black eyeshadow. It's just going to help set that water activated paint to have it not crease as much.
I'm coming closer.
Now I'm taking a red eyeshadow on a pointed fluffy blending brush, and I'm just adding this into the purple to add more irritation and a lot of redness into it. And I'm going back and forth between that brush and the sponge to really blend it out and mix those two colors together to create that bruising, irritated effect. In case you guys weren't aware, this is inspired by the Bloody Mary folklore or the legend, where you say the Bloody Mary 3 times and she'll come and scratch your eyes out. And just like in any glam makeup you would do, SFX is also a lot of back and forth blending. So now I'm going in with a deep red purple toned water activated paint. I'm applying this over the scar as well and then tapping it out with my finger to make these look more irritated and not just straight on. Like if you've ever seen a scratch mark, they always get like red and irritated, and that is kind of what we're going for here with the whole scratched out eye. And again, just going back and forth. If you need to, you can add a little bit more water on your finger to blend these out. Now I'm just going in with a very cool toned contour color. You want this to pull more gray. And I am using this in the hollows of my cheeks as well as on my forehead. And I'm using a smaller, denser brush to really pack on that pigment and just focus it in the hollows. So now using those same cool tone contour shades, I'm going into the hollow, again the orbital bone area of this eye. This is just to help hollow it out, since this one's not going to be missing like the other one, but this one's just going to be super irritated. So now I'm going in with that same red eyeshadow that we used to the irritation on the other eye. I'm applying this all over the eyelid, on the lower lash line, and into the crease, just really smoking this out and blending it out until I get the super red, irritated look that I am going for with this. Now to the black eye, I'm applying a super pigmented black eyeliner into the inner waterline. So then on the other eye, I went and applied a white, but it made it look too alive, so I applied a red eyeliner over it, and to finish the irritated eye look, I applied a red eyeshadow on top of that with my finger. Eyebrow. A check. Just because I like the contrast of this one just being completely gone. For the lips, I didn't really want to do much to them, so I just applied the excess purple paint from the sponge and then went over it with the foundation sponge to lighten it back up, just to give this purple tint to the lips. I think it's time to add the blood. So now I'm just using a thicker blood on a small brush and applying this into the scars. You can use whatever kind of blood you would like. I'm using a thicker blood because I thought that it looked better, along with to eliminate the factor of it dripping into my eye since it is around my eye area. This is mouth safe blood, by the way, in case you need some. Stage Blood by Ben Nye is mouth safe. So it's kind of minty. Tastes disgusting, by the way. I'm throwing that out there. I hate how this tastes. And then just let it drip down my face. Oh, I just dropped blood on me. Oh, I just dropped some on my shirt. I'm gonna clean that up really quick. I actually wanted to wear this shirt today. That's not gonna happen anymore. There's definitely neater ways. Letting it run its course. They also do make eye safe blood. This blood is not eye safe, in case you were wondering, which is why I'm not putting it in my eye. Oh, there it goes. You can use actual blood. Don't use actual blood.
Are you afraid of the dark?
Look, this is the finished Bloody Mary inspired look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun making it. Let me know if you'd like to see any other SFX videos down below. You could definitely glam this up too with a nice red lip or something like that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the flip side. I got blood in my hair. No! It's gonna be a bitch to remove.